My brother and my sisters, they wanna do this is a beautiful sister Laminatu Sanko, the one and only. The original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatu na a carbon copy. As soon as I can see, I then am a little bungalow. I decide for do the short clip. This clip where I make today, I call and say, a dick is a woman's toy. My brother and my sisters, I start with my sisters. My sisters, would not ever accept something we will not see or we will not touch. My brother say, why make some of us when I enter inside my bedroom when I don't turn the light off? What you can hide? When I know what I'm doing, see. What you can hide? When I forget for no say, a dick is a woman's toy. Yes. No woman, no for accept something we you not see or you not touch. Just like we go to a restaurant, we put in order for your menu, the food we want to eat. You get for sale with your eye. Some of us when I go inside room, piano out the lights, darkness, blackouts. Now they don't go picking in the commode. If the light's too bright for crying out loud, dim am. But not autumn. Not turn off. Pata. That's when they guess what we don't off the lights. It's like you they make love to a log of wood. Because the girl know they see your face, you know they see the girl in face. Whoa! Love making in nice under lights. I not say under bright lights. When I dim the lights. Yes. Who say when I go to look on yourself inside the yard, when I yard and feeling beautiful. But some of them the eyes when I enter inside room. When I don't watch the lights. Maybe what are you ready to watch me? Why make you keep out the lights? Why? Not you know they were nice like when you man you tinap. You there inside you but they suits. You tinap in front of your woman. Be you wife, be you fiancé, be you girlfriend. It's taking your eyeball you from head to toe. Beautiful. Yes. And you allow her make it touch you, make it play with you. Yes. I make one video where I talk say, woman, man need for touchery. Multiple times per day, meaningful touches. Now the same way again, back again, my brothers. We say we need for touch una. We need for play with una. Look una right inside una yard. Yes. But some of una the way see una go inside room. Una do all the lights. Yes. That is so wrong. Very wrong. What's una the hide? Make I tell una one thing. When they say add flavor to the bedroom, not only with the woman and for one, we not the man themselves. You mean brother, where they watch me? Tell me when last you dance for that girl. Just tell me when last you dance for her. Yes. I don't make one video where I call say big doors. But we not the man themselves, no so I can wear tongue. Yes. At least every man forget at least 3 tongue. Yes. G-string. Every man forget her. You wanna watch me. Tell me when last you grab you dance for your woman. Romantically. On a dance on a bedroom. You play soft music. You just dance. Then as you dance, the girl go just come and smack your butt. Every man loves their butt to be smacked. My sisters. When the man they dance, not you know the way beautiful like when you man the dance for you be your husband, your boyfriend or your fiancé, and they dance for you, then you grab you smack him butt. It is like that. It is a long way. Beautiful. But most of una the man that are so primitive, my brothers, and why? Not so we the woman that nobody add spice to the bedroom. Una self have to. Yes. Grab and dance for that girl. Left the lights on. Dim the lights. If the light's too bright, get a red bulb or a blue bulb. It dim the lights. Beautiful. Tinap in you, but this suits. Are you kind of this dunya? May that girl look you, may eyeball you from head to toe. Yes. And allow that lady for play with you. But some of us make, left me. No. Left me not for the bedroom. When I take him for me, say, Lamina to Sankose. Left me. Enough for the bedroom. Yes. Me brothers. When I get for land for tinap naked and when I back the suit in front of we. Lo we eyeball una beautiful. Lo we touch una any sawo one for touch una. Like I said earlier, a dick is a woman's toy. When I get for allow we lo we play with una, lo we look una, lo we eyeball una from head to toe. But as soon as we on all the lights, whatever it's in a darknet, my sisters, when I answer me, who swamp on a day where it's in a darknet? Yes. When I know so we eat in a darknet, if you not take they miss you most. When you eat in a darknet, trust me, you they miss you most. Yes. You get for see what you they put in your mouth. Are you gonna eat the place dark? No. If you know what, it's under bright lights. Dim the lights. My sisters, we get for the see what you they put in our mouth. Anything they can obey, we get for eyeball them. Anything they can say we mouth, we get for eyeball them. From head to toe. Yes. You don't order your food in a restaurant. You need for say the food before you eat up. You dey look at the food first before you pay for it. You dey wear the food with you, yeah. So now the same thing my brothers say. When I get for land for the tinap naked, and una back their suit, lo we eyeball una from head to toe. Not you know the way beautiful, like a man in a G-string, a man in tongue. Yes. When he turn him back, you take a look at him butt. Beautiful. And woman smack and pow. Ouch. The line, sister, then they like that. So my brothers say, for one when not they do that. Some of una naked one safe. Una woman go talk say, I not see me man in naked one. Or my boyfriend or my fiancé, I not see naked one for the past 1 year. But una they make love. Every week una they sex. Una they make love. But that girl go talk say, I no see you naked one. I go believe. Because as soon as I don't turn the lights off. My brother say, when I no say when I toy there. Yes. We get for eyeball una from head to toe. Beautiful. Yes. A man they look more beautiful in tongue than woman. Yes. Man look more beautiful in tongue than woman. Every man for at least get 3 tongue. Just think. Where am I like not to every day? Once in a blue moon, just dance for that girl. Add some spice to the bedroom. But I'm not the one. As soon as I go inside, when I get them a boxer. That's what I can call boxer. Yes. Most of you don't get tongue, my brothers. They. When I try alone, I get her. My sisters, then, if they not get her, you the woman gonna stomach, you go buy them. Green belt small. What they make then they do. As you enter that entrance by the marshal, you make a sharp left. The store they right here. In India, the cheapest one at $20, $19.99. Just make $60. You buy 3 for that guy. Beautiful. Nothing other way finding size G-string or tongue like man. It look good per man and past woman. Yes. So my brothers, when I get for left, when I say we play with una. A dick is a woman's toy. A dick is a woman's toy. When I pass this video around, say Lamina to Sankose, a dick is a woman's toy. So when I get for allow we play with una according to how we want. I love una, and I know so when I love me more. This is a beautiful sister. Lamina to Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Any other Lamina to, na a carbon copy. When I feel free for share me video. When I tata for now, a dick is a woman's toy.